Okay. Now I want to add the new column. Suppose this is the after this one currency, I want to add the new column. How I can add the new column? So press here and you can go to the press here and go to the add column. Here you can say custom column. Okay, custom column where I want the profit, right? The profit is suppose what profit is revenue minus budget. Just choose the revenue. Which one is the revenue? This is revenue. You can press insert minus budget. This one, right? Insert. Okay, and you can change the name profit. It press OK. You can see this the profit. You got the profit very easily, right? It's just simple steps box. You have to press there and you have to go there and just select the custom column and you will get you have to apply a few logic there and then you get the data easily. But I don't want these things. So what I can do if I want to go to the original steps this much, so just delete this one cross in this crossbar. Okay, that profit section is gone. Now I want to add few things. Okay, the few things that I will show you the view column here. In this view column, I will do this one quality check, and there is another column. No, column distribution. Okay, this one in view section, and you can see here in this particular language ID the five distinct and two unique sections are there. So what do you mean by unique and distinct? The distinct means many values are there. You can go here and look at and count one, two, three, four, five. Five values are distinct here, right? How many? Five values are distinct. One, two, three. Language ID. One, two, these are distinct. But the unique value is the value that only occurs one time. Look at here. I will show you one thing. Here in this data set, I have uh, this one seven. Okay, seven occurs only one time, and the another one is three. Seven and three occurs only one time. That's why it is called the unique. And the other, the values that have that is unique value. Okay, those are repeating value that you can call the distinct, but the unique that means it has to come once only. Clear? Okay, this much clear, I guess. Now let's move to the another how you can add the other multiple section. First, I will rename it movies financial. Yes, movies financial. I gave the name of this particular data set. Now what I can do, I have to add few things here. I have currency, right? Now I have to create the total revenue, total budget, all those things. Hmm. So for that, I have to convert the quantities into the million because look at here, I have this one. This is in million, revenue in billions. But after that one, I have this unit in million. So if I want to add all those value, how you can add the 12.5 billion into 900 those million? I have to create one column to standardize all those things. Like is billion also or million also, whatever the criteria that you want. So I have to create a single column where has the same value, like if all the values are in million, you have to write in million only. In billion, you have to write the billion. So for that, I have to create the one factor. If it is a I have to create the one conditional column. So for that, click here and go to the add column section, and you can create the conditional column. Okay. In conditional column, what you can say, give the name, that is what you can give the name, factors, unit factors. Okay. Now, if, right, if the unit, this one, equals to billions, billions, then the output is 1000, else the output is 1. Press OK. I will explain you. If the, this is the condition, if your unit, millions and billions, equals to billion, that means you have to write the output 1000, otherwise write 1. Okay, look at here. So I can see this is in billion, that's why writing 1000. This one, it is in the billion also, it is writing the 1000. And now I have to create another one column. Now you have to create the custom. This is the, previously I used this one. Now I am going to use this one. So here custom column, give the name that I want revenue, budget, right? I want the VUD budget million. Okay. So for that budget million, what is the formula? That is budget million equals to what, you can write budget multiply factors. Where is the budget? This is the budget, right? Insert multiply factors. Give the multiply sign. Okay, factors. Where is the factors? Got it? Now press OK. You will get the all the budget that converted into the billions. Look at here, right? Now I have to create the another one column. You can say go here and in add column you can click the custom column, give the revenue mi, where I have revenue, insert multiply with factors. Press OK. You got the revenue mi also. Now it's cool. Uh, Now both the values converted into the million. Now if, look at here, in currency it is in the what, INR, in Indian currency it is in the USD. Now if you want the budget, so can you add uh, INR plus USD with the same value? No, right? So we have to use the one standardized currency. Like if it is in INR, you have to use all the quantities, all the values in INR. So for that, you have to create the column again. So go here and you can custom column, click here, and you can give budget INR, budget INR, budget INR. Okay. So for that, you have to write the one formula. If, okay, if the currency, if currency, your currency, right? Currency equals to USD. USD. So what you have to do? Then then you have to multiply budget. You have to multiply budget PU. You have to multiply budget in million. Okay, with multiply with what? How much? 88, right? The currency exchange rate is 88, right? Now, $1 equals to 88 Indian rupees. So that's why I'm writing that. Else, what you have to write? Budget M. Write the budget. Cool. So this is the formula. If your currency, the currency is USD INR, if it is in USD, then multiply budget with 88, else write only MI, million, budget in million. So this is the simple formula, folks. Don't confuse with it. And just if you press OK, you can get the this budget INR. Okay. Now you have to find another quantity. Tell me which one. Budget revenue, custom column. Go. You can write revenue INR, revenue and if if currency equals to USD, then revenue MI, multiply with 8, else what you have to write? Revenue. So I will show you why you are writing in this square bracket. Look at this bracket you will get whenever you have to write the column name. Okay. Now we know currency is the column name and revenue MI is also column name. So whenever you're writing the that column name, you have to write in the square bracket. Now press equals to. Okay. I got this. You can verify here. Revenue. I have revenue. This one. Now it is in INR already, that's why it is not changed, but it is in USD. Suppose revenue is this much, if it is changes, so it multiply with the 88 here. Okay, now we got the values, all the values we got here. Now I will give you one task. So just do this thing by yourself. Now you have to do the budget USD and the budget revenue USD. Can you solve that thing? If you are looking this video and you are practicing along with me, so I will give you like the task. Try to write the budget USD and the revenue USD. Okay, same thing. So for that, I will show you right now. Uh, Custom column budget USD. So what is the formula? If currency equals to INR, right? INR, then then budget in million, budget million divided by 88, else write budget in. Okay, so this is the first formula, folks. You press here, you will get the this one. Same, you have to implement that side also. Let me check the formula. If you want to recorrect it, click here, you will get to see that formula again. If the currency equals to in INR, then budget divided by budget in million divided by 88, and else if it is in the USD, write the USD. So I have to check which one is the USD part. Budget in million, this is in USD, right? Budget 200. Can you get 200? Okay, that's good. Okay, now got this much value. This is correct, folks. Don't confuse it. Now I want to get the another value for revenue USD. For that, go to the custom column. You can write revenue, revenue USD. So you can paste that formula here, and just I have to do the in place of budget, I will write the revenue. Am I okay? Oh, it is showing some error here. Let me check it. I have to write this thing first. Okay, I will write revenue, revenue in million, revenue in million. Now do this. Okay, now you got the value, checked value. Okay, so for you got all the quantities. Suppose revenue, uh, budget INR, revenue INR. This thing, all of you, all the things you got here in this particular section. Okay, it's pretty much good, I guess.